Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to update Likee application. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Likee application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Likee guys, if of course you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the bottom of the screen, we have your profile and everything about your profile. We have your messages, the plus button where you can put your own content. We have the Explore and the For You page. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and update Likee application. So basically what you need to do is go, of course, from the application, you need to go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have. This is made for iPhone users only, so this is the App Store that I'm currently in. When you're here, out of all of these options at the bottom, as you can see, you have the Today, Games, Apps, Arcade, Search. You need to go, of course, to the search bar, which is the last one in the bottom right corner. Click on the search bar. Then here, you'll just need to go and type in Likee. To type in Likee, so it's Likee, click search. And of course, guys, here it is. We have Likee, which you can go in and open. And when here, it doesn't have updates for me, but when you have updates, it will, of course, be here. An update will be here. You just need to click update and the application will be updated. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.